Hello, my ninjas. I am here to uh, walk with you through a practical activity of using MS Word 2010. You need to do reading, first of all, to understand what we mean by MS Word 2010, and then the uses of Microsoft Word 2010, and then you also read about the how relevant it is to the teacher and some of the features and the tools of Microsoft Word 2010. Now, today I'm going to take you through how to launch Microsoft Word. There are many ways of launching Microsoft Word, but normally what we do, you go to make it so fast because you don't want to be wasting so much time. You use what we call shortcut. So you go and type in the search bar here, say MS Word. Then you will see that it will appear MS Word. So you see it appears MS Word 2010. So you double click on that and it will launch. It's simply because I have opened many documents. It has opened down here the status bar. So what we have here is a blank document of Microsoft Word. If you want, you type, but the typing is not what we can start with at this time. So we will start by familiarizing ourselves with what we call the interface or the Microsoft Word 2010 interface or window. Up here we have the quick access bar, quick access toolbar. We call it quick access toolbar because it has our quick tools that we can easily click on and we do what we want. So on my own, it can be customized. I will show you, and then you put what you want. Then we have by default, if the Word document is not yet saved, it shows document 2. Mine is showing document 2, Microsoft Word, because I had opened already and I want document, so this is the second document. But normally it shows document 1, Microsoft Word. Once you see document 1 here, Microsoft Word, or document 2, it means that that document is not yet saved. So we have the ribbon. We have first of all have the menu bars, and then we have the toolbar, and then we have the ribbon. The ribbon down here. So you see that when you click on a menu, it gives you different tools and different groups. We call them families. For example, inside here we have the pages, the tables, illustration, links, header and footer, text and symbols. So under the insert menu, we have several families, or we have several groups. So one can say, when they are giving you practical instructions, they may tell you click insert and check at the links family or links group and click bookmark. So you will certainly not be asking where is the link. So you will know that at insert, I will check now the groups and go to where they are directing me to go. So you see that when you click page layout, it still shows different tools, differences. It will show you different tools. Then we have the working area here. The working area is where you type. When you want to type, the man is in the box. It means that this is where you work. This is where you do your typing. Then down here we have the status bar. The status bar is basically to show the status and also display many of the files that you are working with. My own is a very busy status bar because I've been working with very many files, and I also have shortcuts there of some of the programs I work with all the time. So important to note about the interface, we have the title. This is where the title will be after you save. We have the menu, we have the ribbon, and then we have the working area, then we have the status bar. Then these are the scroll bars. These ones are the scroll bars. In case you want to scroll through the document, you just drag this scroll bar and you scroll through the document. And for example, if you want to go below the document, the other aspect I would like to teach is the opening a new document. But before we go to that, let us know how to save, because our document is not yet saved. So you click File and say Save As. When you are saving for the first time, you click Save As. But if you have already worked or you saved and you're working on a saved document, you click Save. So you click Save As, and the Save As dialog window opens. This one, important aspect to note, is the file name and then the folder or the location where you want to save your file. So you give your file a name. Maybe you call it the man. You can call it the man, and then you are sure that you are saving it as a Word document. I told you last time in class that a Word document has an extension .docx. So after you have put the name, the file name, you now specify the location where you want to save your file. So I have this habit. I always save at the desktop. So make sure the desktop is clicked and you check. If it says this computer desktop, then you know that you're saving at the desktop. And then you come and click Save. So you are going to see that at the title here, the name appears, the file name appears, changing from the default that was document 1. So that's saving. So if you want to open a new file, for example, perhaps you feel you want to work with 2 files at the same time, you come here and click File and say New. You click New. It is going to bring this window. So you may want to open with a template, with the available templates, and you have to read and understand what we mean by a template. But you may want to open with a template. For example, maybe you want to do a business card, or you want to do memos, you want to do lists. There are templates here for you to do whatever you want to do. I normally tell my students that templates are for the lazy people. So for us, we do things right from the scratch, and we don't use templates. So you click blank and come and say create. So it will certainly open a new document. See that you may check here at the title bar, the document is showing document 3, Microsoft Word product, a sign to show that this document is not saved. So you still go through the process and do save the way I've told you to save. I also want to teach you, if in case you want to print, assuming you have finished saving your document, you have worked with it, and you want to print, you just come and say File, and then click Print. Now, the window appears here. You have to specify many aspects here before you click the Print button. You have to specify the number of copies you like to print. You have to specify the printer. You must make sure that your computer is connected to the right printer. Of course, the printers have the names, so you may check to see whether your computer is your printer is well connected to your computer, and you'll be able to see the computer name and click it here. And then you want to specify pages. Here it is saying all pages. If you say all pages, it means that you're going to print all the pages in the entire document. And then there's where you print the current page. When you state current page, the page that appears on the screen is the only one that will print. If you do custom range means that you are going to put a range of the pages you want to print. For example, you can put 12, you put comma, 34, comma, and 78. So if a document is on and it has like 400 pages, the custom range will only check those pages you put into the pages you have specified to print, and that's what it will print. Correlate means that you are going to take 1, 2, 3, and it has to be in that direction. Or you may just want to uncorrelate. It takes 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, like that. But normally we want to correlate so that we have our pages printed in order and following the page numbers. So we have the portrait orientation. You may want, portrait means that it is vertically straight and taller, but you may want to print on landscape. So you change landscape and it will come out on a landscape. So you specify other aspects, and once you are ready, you just say print. Once you are ready, you click print, and then the printing will start. But since I'm not interested in printing, my computer is not even installed on a printer, I'll just come here and close it, and then it is asking whether I want to close the document. I'll say cancel because I still want to show a few things. How do you close a document? You come here to File and say Close or Exit. So when you say Exit, it is going to prompt you whether you want to save, and you say Save. Once you save, you give the file name, you save, and then you give the location, and then you save where you want to save your file. Yeah, thank you so much. I think at the moment, let me stop at that, and I will come back with another video showing some other aspects of Microsoft Word and how we can use them as teachers. I want you to practice on what I have taught you in this video, and keep following me up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for many of these videos, and once you subscribe, you click the notification button, and every time I have a video for you, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you so much. I still remain Abdallah of Uganda, the Big Ninja. Bye-bye.